welcome to my channel. Yeah. Wow. Me look good. Me feel good and me look good. Like, have you ever felt some type of way, like you feel yourself and you just have to take a minute for just feel yourself? That is me right now. Me look good. Me pretty. Me really pretty. Nadine and Rowan daughter, them pretty. Them baby pretty. Them cute. Me cute. Me really cute. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to my channel. It feels so nice saying that. Like, it feels so awesome saying that, because I'm not gonna lie, I doubted myself for a minute there, but then I got a hold of myself and I'm like, girl. And you guys are watching my first video, which is welcome to my channel, okay? So thank you for tuning in, and if you are here, that means you're either a subscriber or you're thinking of subscribing. And I'm gonna just save you the thinking process and just tell you, subscribe. Like, hit that button down there, that red button down there, and just subscribe. You know, it's just a save of time. Hit it. Follow me on all socials at HeySiri _ on Twitter. Yes, I am on Twitter, and follow me there and let's interact. In this video, I will be giving you an official welcome where I tell you a little bit about myself, and where I am going to tell you why I decided to start a YouTube channel and what to expect from me. Like, what does your channel have to offer, right? So, no bagalang talking. The first thing is, who am I? No, my name is Serani. Yes, just if you're from Jamaica, you must know the singer Serani. It's Serani. Just in case you never know. But I'm no singer. And I am 21 years of age. My sister just came home. I'm 21 years of age, and I am a Jamaican Gemini. Why did I decide that to do a YouTube channel or start a YouTube channel? For me, it had to do with support. Number one, support of myself, and number two, support from families and friends. Basically, I thought of the idea like 1 year ago, basically, and I bring it to family and friends, and them push me and say, you have the personality for it, so go ahead and try it. If you don't feel it afterwards, then it's okay, you tried, at least you tried. So it was good that I had support from them, and they know themselves, and I know that they're watching right now, so big up to you. I love you guys. Yes. And basically, the next thing was that I put it on my vision board for 2020. Let me show you. Here it is. I put it on my vision board for 2020 as one of the many goals that I wanted to achieve for myself. And this year I wanted to make a change, like not just write down something for my New Year resolution and then not see it through, because I'm not telling no lie, 99.9% of the time, me not go through with half of the stuff them want me write down for achieve for New Year. Like, I become complacent and like I just don't do it. And me know say I'm me one, so don't judge me, okay? Alright, so that was reason number 2, and then reason number 3 came in around March, when the pandemic started to pop up and quarantine started to pop up, and you know, you just had to be quarantined. And I didn't want to, like, during quarantine, I didn't want to just not be doing anything. So I had a lot of time on my hands. Like, God created a lot of time right there for me to do a lot of stuff. But even then, I did not use the time wisely. I did create my intro, my outro, and other channel art, but that was just about it for me. So during quarantine, I just wanted to be productive. So that was another reason. And then, as well as the next reason was that I am not a person that takes much risk. And when I say risk, I mean like I'm not a person that challenges myself as much. I'll think of the idea to challenge myself, but I don't see it through, basically what I'm saying. So I wanted to do something new to challenge myself and take a risk, and therefore this was the perfect way to do that. Okay, so I was like, that's another good reason. Also, like for me, I wanted to use this platform. Like I started doing my fitness journey a couple years ago, and like it was on and off, but since this year I've been consistent. However, since the quarantine, I stopped going to the gym. So say my girl Lego. So from then, when I was going to the gym, I wanted to do a YouTube channel to share my fitness journey. And now that stuff are starting to open back, and even though my gym is not open yet, blink, come on. But eventually I'm going to, even at home workouts and stuff, I'll share with you guys along my fitness journey, because I'm going to start it back. I'm going to share with you guys. So that's one of the reasons, to share my fitness journey with you, and as well as using this platform as a way to express myself. Okay, because yeah, like express my creative side. Now, what to expect? You guys could definitely expect from me videos every weekend around 6 to 7 p.m. And when I say every weekend, it could be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Either one of the days. Or who knows, as time goes by, maybe all those 3 days I'll post videos. But we're working with levels. I'm at the level of posting one video right now, so every weekend. So you guys could definitely expect that from me. And basically I'll do videos around lifestyle, as I said, fitness, carry you guys on my fitness journey, and vlogs, and inclusive of pranks, how-tos, reviews, all the manner of works. I'm open to any suggestions, and I have some content ideas that I already have up here that I want to show you guys. So you guys just have to stay tuned and work with me, guys. Okay, so tune in every weekend from 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, and expect some fun videos. We on. That's just about it, and that's just that on that for it. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up now, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has tuned in and who has stayed tuned in during this whole video, the little video, listening to me yap. So thank you for staying tuned in, and remember guys, every weekend at 6 to 7 Eastern time, make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. And also remember to like, share, comment, and again subscribe. Okay, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And I'll see you next weekend in my next video. Bye.